Hey everyone, Joffrey here, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into the newest addition to the Nothing family, the CMF Phone 1. With its unique design language and a promise of high performance, this device is turning heads. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. Nothing has always been known for its bold, transparent aesthetics, and the CMF Phone 1 doesn't disappoint. Sporting a colorful, user-replaceable plastic back and can easily remove by screw, and it gives a glimpse into the phone's internals, a signature move by Nothing. Also includes with multiple accessories in the box, which is a great option for users. The plastic frame provides durability while keeping the device lightweight. And with its ergonomic design, the CMF Phone 1 feels comfortable in hand, striking the perfect balance between style and substance. Now let's turn our attention to the display. The CMF Phone 1 features a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the high refresh rate ensures everything feels smooth, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through your social feeds. Even under direct sunlight, the display remains crisp and readable, thanks to its peak brightness of 2000 nits. Whether you're watching a movie or playing games, the visual experience on this device is nothing short of spectacular. Now moving on with its performance, the CMF Phone 1 packs a punch with its Dimensity 7300, a 4nm chipset with a clock speed of octa-core 2.5 GHz. It handles multitasking with ease and runs demanding apps and games without breaking a sweat. The 8GB of RAM options ensure smooth performance across the board, coupled with 256GB of internal storage. Gaming on the CMF Phone 1 is a joy. The Mali G615 MC2 GPU provides a robust graphics performance, making titles like PUBG and Call of Duty run flawlessly. And with its advanced cooling system, you can enjoy extended gaming sessions without worrying about overheating. The camera system on the CMF Phone 1 is versatile and capable. It features a dual camera setup with a 50MP primary sensor with f1.8 aperture and 2MP depth sensor. Photos are sharp with excellent dynamic range and accurate color reproduction. In low light condition, the CMF Phone 1 holds its ground well thanks to advanced image processing and night mode. Videos are smooth and stable with supports for 4K recording at 30fps, making it a great choice for content creators. Running on Nothing OS 2.0, the CMF Phone 1 offers a clean and minimalistic user experience. It's free from bloatware and the interface is intuitive, making navigation a breeze. The software is optimized for smooth performance, and with regular updates promised by Nothing, you can expect improvements and new features over time. Moreover, battery life on the CMF Phone 1 is impressive. Thanks to its 5000 mAh battery, it easily lasts a full day of heavy usage, and with 33 watts fast charging, plus it supports 5 watts reverse wired charging, adding to its versatility. So what's the final verdict? The Nothing CMF Phone 1 is a well-rounded device that stands out in a crowded market, thanks to its unique design, powerful performance, and competitive camera system. It's priced aggressively at 999 dirhams here in Dubai, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a unique smartphone experience without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for a new phone that offers a blend of style and performance, the CMF Phone 1 is definitely worth considering. Alright, that's for today's review. What are your thoughts on the CMF Phone 1? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.